Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into a quick and practical guide on how to sync ClickUp with Microsoft Teams. So first things first, you need to open ClickUp and navigate to the Integrations section. The reason we do this is because this is where you'll find the option to sync ClickUp with Microsoft Teams. Once you're in the Integrations section, locate and click on the Microsoft Teams option. Now, let me explain why this matters. ClickUp offers numerous integrations, and Microsoft Teams is one of them. By clicking on this option, you're telling ClickUp that you want to integrate with Microsoft Teams, which is the first step towards a successful sync. After clicking on the Microsoft Teams option, you'll be asked to log into your Microsoft Teams account. Go ahead and do that. This step is crucial as it allows ClickUp to authenticate your Microsoft Teams account and ensures that the sync is safe and secure. Now that we've done that, you'll be redirected back to ClickUp, and a prompt will appear asking for permission to access your Microsoft Teams account. Click Allow to proceed. This helps us because by giving ClickUp access to your Microsoft Teams account, it enables the two platforms to communicate and sync information. Finally, after granting the necessary permissions, you need to select the specific Microsoft Teams channels you'd like to sync with ClickUp. Once you've done that, click on Sync Now. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. ClickUp is now establishing a connection with your selected Microsoft Teams channels and syncing all the necessary data. And there you have it. You've successfully synced ClickUp with Microsoft Teams. It's as simple as that. Remember, syncing these two platforms can significantly enhance your productivity by allowing seamless communication and collaboration, so make sure to take full advantage of it. And that wraps up our tutorial for today. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you in the next one.